In order to configure the Testo 270, I switch it on and immediately press the hold button for 2 seconds in order to access the configuration menu. In the first menu item, I can define my TPM limit values. With the arrow buttons, I change the lower limit value and confirm with the hold button. Then comes the upper limit value, which I also set using the arrow buttons. To save the adjustments, I confirm with the hold button as before. Only then are the settings for both TPM limit values accepted. I exit the configuration menu with the on-off button, and the cooking oil tester is ready for measurement again.